Welcome to Motivational Channel. 10 Rules of Yoga for Beginners. Number 1. Yoga Space. Space is the first important factor you need to consider when practicing yoga. Our training place needs quiet, fresh air. Every yoga movement has a rhythmic combination of deep breathing. If exercising in a secret space with an atmosphere without circulation or pollution, the exercises will not maximize. The tranquility helps us to focus more on each of our movements and breathing. For starters, you should practice in the room, have airy windows, do not practice outdoors to avoid getting poisonous winds when the body becomes sensitive to the weather during exercise. Number 2. Use yoga mats. To be able to practice yoga effectively, the right way is indispensable for yoga mats. Yoga mats will help you avoid being slippery, support you to avoid the movement and collision with the hard floor of the floor, preventing unwanted injuries. You should choose the right-sized carpets for the body, high elasticity and good slip resistance. For some stretching exercises, you can use a towel to position the seat, under the head or hands to make it easier to practice the movement. Yoga mat sheets used to cover the exercise mat also work to absorb sweat, are easy to wash and fold neatly. You can buy more to cover the exercise mat in the gym to ensure hygiene. Number 3. Suit outfit. Choosing the right outfit for yoga is also an important preparation. You should wear light clothes, not restrictive. Do not wear too tight or too wide, with elasticity, sweat absorbing. When practicing, you should also barefoot and remove glasses, watches and other types of body jewelry. Thus, the practice will be comfortable and highly effective. Number 4. Session time. The minimum yoga time is 15 minutes. When there is a lot of practice time, you should not do too much, only from 50 minutes to 1 hour to avoid overtraining and become tired. In particular, you should not exercise when eating. The best time to practice is 3 hours after the main meal and 2 hours after a light meal. Outside of that time, you can practice yoga at appropriate times, such as the morning after waking up and the afternoon after the job is over. This is the time when the body needs to regain the most energy. Relaxing movements will make the body comfortable after a tiring day. Number 5. Taking a shower before exercising. Bathing before doing yoga will bring you more comfort and alertness to enter the exercise. If you don't have much time, you can wash and clean areas like the face, neck, hands, elbows, knees, and feet. Do not shower immediately after training because this will affect the activity of the hormone. You should take at least 30 minutes to 2 hours after yoga to rest before taking a shower. Number 6. Warm up before training. Any motor sport needs to undergo warm-up time, and yoga is no exception. Before practicing, you must have a warm-up phase with the movements of stretching joints. This process is essential to help the muscles relax to help perform stretching, bending and bending movements. Stretching the body in the next posture, to minimize injuries encountered when exercising. As the muscles relax and become more flexible, you will find it easier to perform difficult movements. Number 7. Concentrate your thoughts while practicing. When practicing yoga, your thoughts must be absolutely focused on each movement as well as your breath, not to be distracted by anything. Any distraction will prevent you from completing the movement and the effect of the movements will not be effective. Focusing on improving your breath is the best way for you to focus on each movement, conditioning your body to keep you mentally refreshed. Last rule: consult a doctor and specialist before training. The human body is made up of different structures and not everyone is strong enough to practice all the poses of yoga. Depending on the condition of each person, there will be suitable exercises. In case you suffer from cardiovascular disease, high and low blood pressure, you should avoid growing banana trees. Back problems, nerves to avoid folding, twisting, joint diseases should only be exercised in the range outside the area of pain. Therefore, before practicing, you should consult your doctor and yoga experts so that they should practice and should avoid postures to fit your body. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel for more videos.